Hi guys, Pedro here. We're gonna present you GLU3 is a project bridging web2 with web3. I had the idea for the project just before the hackathon started. I proposed to Tioma, which I met on DevPost. Then during the NEARCON, we met Lakshmi and Gnana. And just in 2 days, we were able to build this project, which is fully functional. You can go and test it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. And we're pretty excited to actually continue with this project after the NEARCON. So even if you don't get a prize, you can contact us afterwards. We would be pretty happy to make this into a reality. Thank you so much.
Hey folks, welcome to a quick demo of our dApp GLU, which is used to bridge the gap between the Web2 and the Web3 world. In this video demo, we will show that how a developer can use our plugin to create a fungible token on the Near ecosystem and then use that to integrate with various existing websites to provide the feature of tokens to the users. The idea here is to enable new users to come onto the Web3 platforms without having to create or having to have an existing wallet as the first step to be in the Web3 world. Here we are creating our fungible token on Near using the JavaScript SDK, which internally deploys the fungible token contract. Once the user has created this, we can see that there's a success message, and we have also added a distribute tab that shows that you can distribute this to various other wallets. However, when the plugin is actually added onto websites like Shopify or Bubble, initially the user doesn't need a wallet to actually get these points because they just reside into the internal points of the user unless the user wants to claim them. Here we can see that there's a test transfer transaction that was successful from one wallet to another, and we can also see that this particular wallet GLU3.testnet would have received 100 GDM, which is the new token that we have created just now. Let's take a quick look. Amazing. We can see that 100 GDM have appeared in the Near wallet of GLU3.testnet. You can also see that there's an API key that has been generated over here, which can be used to embed in the webhook that is added into the Shopify website. So whenever a user comes and buys a tote bag, right, basically right now the trigger is just on adding to the cart. So once the user adds this tote bag to the cart, this particular webhook that is associated with Shopify will be called. You can see that there is an API key that is available on this webhook. This API key has been copy pasted from the API key that was generated for that particular developer to integrate this webhook into our Shopify website. Now, once the add to cart was called, there is a send to fund function that sends funds to an account that has been created for the user, or rather it basically just creates a mapping in the contract for that particular user, which keeps increasing for that user as the user keeps making purchase using this website. Eventually, the user can claim these funds into their wallet as and when they are ready to jump onto the bandwagon of Web3 and create a wallet for themselves. Unless and until the user still keeps earning points in the form of these tokens, but they are just as a reserve on the contract. Now we can also disconnect the wallet and see that we are able to have a dApp that has an end-to-end functionality. Thank you.
Let's do it.